come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa been Kabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo.
Yo.
In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This is Defi Bully. On today's episode, we will be talking about Splash, the price of Splash. We're gonna be talking about Splashpad and how they got some new things coming on that's making me very bullish about this project. Utilization of the Wave token, and we're also gonna do a live deposit. But before that, make sure you guys go over to the YouTube channel. Let's go over to the Defi Bully YouTube channel and like, comment, subscribe. There we go, right there. Subscribe to the Defi Bully YouTube channel. We on that push. As you can see, we're growing in subscribers. Let's get it going. In the Telegram group down below, Bullpen Millionaires. Make sure you get there for some help and some hidden gems and so forth. Now, let's get into the Splash. The reason why I'm feeling really good about this, the price is kind of low, yeah, compared to where it was at like the last couple weeks. But I'm very bullish about this because the price has been like circulating around 40, 38, 39. If you've been looking, 37. I feel like we reached like a floor or a point of resistance. Where it's pretty much, I feel like personally it's only up from here. And also this is a good platform because it's daily ROI and it's backed by Bitcoin Brown. It's paying 2% daily. It's a good way to get your bag up and all these other things. Now there has been some articles that came out about Splassive. What you guys say more, Splassive or Splash? I find myself saying Splash all the time. It's the Splassive network. And they're just helping, pretty much just promoting the project and letting new investors know about it and so forth and blah, blah, blah. Now, do you guys know that you could do this?
The Splassive Network, 2% daily passive income protocol. Defi 3.0. Splash Network is the latest project developed by Splassive team. The official token of the Splash Network is Splash on the Avalanche chain, avax, which captures value by being scarce, deflationary, censorship resistant, and by being built on a robust, truly decentralized blockchain. The recommended exchange for trading Splash is the Well contract, which can be found directly on the platform's website under. The Well tab provides the lowest prices and highest liquidity, resulting in less slippage for larger trades. Deflationary daily ROI platform that offers 2% daily return on investment, sustainability through a tax on the transaction, full team building referral system, and compound interest system.
Wow, couldn't say that better myself. But that's interesting they say that because yeah, they do have their own well where you could buy the tokens directly from here with avax. I'll be doing a live deposit a little later. I'll probably try to see if I get like a 20, if I can, 20 Splash tokens. And the tap is actually the staking platform where you actually deposit your money and earn that 2%. So right now I have 7.5 pretty much Splash tokens, which is worth $282. I'm getting 2% of that. I haven't hydrated or claimed in a few days, so it's at $13 right now. If I choose to fill up or recompound, it will invest my available balance back into the deposits. No, I cannot take out the deposit amount, but I can get the rewards of the 2% off that it pays me daily. Yes, we'll get deeper into that later. And right here, it's a splash pad. It's not out yet, but it's just pretty much gonna be I believe like a garden farm type of game, something I'm guessing like the drip garden, you know. And also in this other article I seen something really interesting. There's a new game coming out, a third-person shooter. Look at those graphics. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at those graphics. I don't know. It's just some pictures right now, and it's saying something about NFT based. Let's see. More feature upgrades regarding Splashpad and NFT play to earn game. Oh yeah. So you guys could go in the Telegram group for more updates with that. But seems bullish to me. And the Splashpad as well as Splassive network altogether, they utilize the Wave token. And a wave token, if you guys want to start building your own teams or whatever the case may be, you can use your wave token to actually gain those referral bonuses. So you will have to hold at least 5,000 wave tokens to have at least one downline. If you want to earn interest off of who the people under you refer, you have to have, I believe, double that, like 10,000 wave token. Okay. Now, you do not need a team to be in this. So I know you're thinking pyramid sounding scheme. You do not need wave token to be in the platform and to get into compound and to earn money and to gain money and grow your money. You don't need it. Okay. But if you are interested in joining, you can use my referral link down below. It'll help me out, help the channel out. And look at this. Doesn't this chart look exactly like how Splash is? Wait, where did I see that chart a while ago? Oops, let me go in there home. Wait, where's the chart? Oh, it's loading. Sorry about that, people. Okay. Now look at that. Doesn't that look similar? Right here? Like it's following it. So as the price of Splash goes up, the price of Wave will probably go up as well. Okay, now you guys could join my team down below. I'll be doing airdrops soon as I get my bag up the right way. So right now I have 7.48 avax. I'm gonna go ahead and buy in. Let's see. Oops, drop my book. 7.48. It buys 16. Splash. Might have to get some more, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy in right now so I don't waste a lot of time on this video. I was hoping to get at least like 19. Confirm that. Now there is a 10% sales tax and 10% buy tax. Yeah, okay. To buy in is 10%, to sell is 10%. Okay, so it said that went through. Splash price right now is at 37.66. Now if I go over here to the tap. Yo, there was something interesting. Man, and I left it up over my video. I wanted you guys to hear this. Don't it sound interesting? I'm surprised I never heard this before. Make it splash. Make it splash. Make it splash. Yeah, I don't want to get strucken or copywritten. I mean, I don't want the video to be, you're getting me, struck. So just played a little clip of that. All right, so right here it says that. Now remember, the tap is basically the staking platform. Once you put it into the tap, you cannot get that back, only the rewards. So make sure you know you're getting into and do your research more on this project before getting into it. I think it's a good opportunity to gain 2% a day. And also that's at 360%. So if I was to leave it right now, there's $281 that's in there. I will actually, at 2% a day, I will get paid out until I get the $1,014, which is way more than my investment. I mean, and that's also depending on the price of the token. It could raise and then that'll be a lot more, or it could go down and it could be a lot lower. But right now I take my chances. It seemed pretty good. So let's see, 16.83. Approve that. Wow. Did I use all of my Avalanche tokens? Make sure you guys are keeping AVAX in your AVAX wallet for transaction fees. I'm not even sure if I even kept any. But I'll just send myself some more in a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and deposit that. All of these are transactions, and it does require, it says network is busy, blah, blah, blah. And all of this does require AVAX tokens. So be sure to have AVAX in your MetaMask wallet, which I'm connected to this site with. Okay, confirm transaction. And if you look right here, I now have 22 Splash tokens, almost 23. I'm gonna compound and let you guys know how that's growing over time. I'm gonna keep this one nice, short, and sweet. And remember, do your research because this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.